Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to see the review of a Dermdoc Hyaluronic Acid Infused Maximum Hydration Serum. The MRP of this is 199 for 10 ml product and we get it from purple.com only. You are not going to get it in offline easily. So now without any further ado, let's get into the review. So first let's see the product descriptions. The benefits of this product that they mentioned on the top of the covering is maintains healthy moisture levels and it fights signs of aging and provides intense nourishment, improves skin's elasticity, and then alleviates dryness. So that is what they have mentioned about the benefits of this product. And coming to the description of this product, it maintains skin's natural moisture levels and also improves the elasticity. It provides intense moisture and balance while diminishing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. And this serum provides long-lasting nourishment and rejuvenates your skin from within to give you soft, smooth, and visibly plumper complexion. Highly recommended for people with dry skin. Obviously, hyaluronic acid is meant for dry to extreme dry skin types. So now coming to the directions, you have to clean your face and then you have to apply it directly onto your face. You have to massage it till it gets absorbed into your skin. So this particular serum has watery like consistency, so it just gets into your skin really easily. Now the caution is if you have any cuts or anything going on your skin, then you should not apply this acid. And also if you get any kind of irritation after using this product, then you have to skip using this completely. So this is what they have mentioned, as well as these are the this is the description of the product. So now coming to the inner packaging, this is the outer packaging, and on the inner packaging they have mentioned key ingredients. There is no complete ingredient list, and then again directions, cautions, manufactured and manufacturing and expiry date. So even if you use the outer packaging, you have all the information again on the inner packaging. So again, I forgot to say about this. So this is how I'm storing. I'm closing this one with the dropper that they have given with this bottle. So normally they give you a normal screw cap along with some inner partition kind of thingy, so you can save it like this. I mean, you can close the bottle with this cap. But whenever you want to apply it on your skin by using the dropper, then you can use the dropper as it is. So I normally use the dropper. So I just stored my bottle in this way itself. I am not using the screw cap again. So you get two caps so that it's travel friendly, and also you can store this acid really well without exposing it to the outer environment. So this is the packaging and also description. Now coming to my personal experience, when I applied it, I have oily skin, I mean combination to oily skin, and when I applied it my skin felt so dry because hyaluronic acid is really dangerous if you don't if you don't use it properly. So when you apply hyaluronic acid, you have to be really quick while applying your moisturizer as well onto your face. Basically the area where I'm living, the humidity is okay in this area. It's not like I'm living in a low humid area, but even then it made my skin dry because I used to apply moisturizer after 5 minutes massaging this into my skin. It gets absorbed really easily. There is no need to massage for even for 1 minute, it just gets absorbed, but I used to wait for 5 minutes. So within this 5 minutes, it used to dry my skin, it used to take all the moisture that is present on my skin. So you have to be really careful about that. Not only this this product guys, even in other products where you have hyaluronic acid, you really have to be careful. Timing is really important. So what I'm doing now is I wash my face. When my face is slightly damp, I apply this product on my face. I massage it for 30 seconds and then I apply the other things like moisturizer or toner. I apply them directly, like without waiting for 1 minute or 5 minutes. I just go on applying all the products immediately without giving any gap, so that everything gets absorbed into my skin because of this acid. So that is what I observed. Not only with this product, you have to do the same thing with any other hyaluronic acid product as well. So now let's go into the pros and cons of this product guys. So pro number one is it's not that inexpensive product, it's kind of not inexpensive as well, but it's okay, it's reasonably priced. And second pro is its packaging is really travel friendly and also it's sturdy. So even if I don't know, but I think, I mean, it's glass, not glass, yeah, I think it's glass, so if it falls down it will break, but you have to be careful, but it's okay, like it's travel friendly packaging. And third pro is it fights with the signs of aging. Fourth pro is it provides that intense moisturization to your face if you use it properly. And fifth pro is it is great for dull skin. So if you have dull skin, you can use it and it's gonna make your skin really glowy. So that's the fifth pro. And sixth pro is its consistency. It's really watery like consistency and it absorbs well into the skin. Seventh pro is its smell. So it don't smell like acid at all, it don't smell like chemical as well. It has this mild smell, so which is really a great thing. So if you have sensitive nose, you can definitely go with this one. And eighth pro is it's really great for dry and extremely dry skin people. Normal people also can use this one, but oily, I think even you can use it. I mean, I'm using it on my face, so it's not like too oily or too greasy on my face. It's actually better when compared with salicylic acid on my face. I don't know why, but yeah, maybe it's because of the watery consistency. So now let's go into the cons. Con number one is it's not easily available, and second con is they didn't mention complete ingredient list on the packaging, and third con is we don't know the percentage of hyaluronic acid that they have used in this serum. So that's a big con. I mean, like seriously, I don't know how much percentage I'm using on my face. I know it's like a milder concentrated product, but I seriously don't know. Even if it's 1%, I want to know the percentage of product, I mean percentage of acid that I'm using on my face, but I don't know. So that's con number 3, which is really a big con for me. So I will recommend it if you have normal skin, but I'm not gonna buy this again because I don't know the percentage especially, so I'm not gonna buy this again. And if you have normal to dry skin, it's okay. If you have extremely dry skin, I think it's not that useful because the percentage is really low. Hyaluronic acid percentage is really low. I don't know exactly, but at least I can say that it has really low concentration of hyaluronic acid. So yeah, these are the pros and cons. You can, I mean, it's your wish. I don't recommend it personally. I don't recommend it. So yes, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video, Sunshine. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye.